The Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 are Samsung's next foldable phones, and their launch is now less than 2 weeks away. The phones are already being gently teached by Samsung. They say that they are superior to slap phones, and uses the greater than sign to indicate their difference. The two devices have recently been shown off in some official-looking photos shared by famous leaker Evan Blass, Y91 Mobiles. Despite the lack of much of a surprise factor in these images due to the phone's extensive legs, it is still wonderful to see high-resolution shots that provide a closer look at the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is now featured in depth in each of these three basic color variants: black, gray, green, and very gorgeous beach gold in a series of renderings that appears to be official. With a single hinge and somewhat narrow bezels, it is more often refinement of the present design. Other rumored modification includes a wide aspect ratio for greater use, and a less obvious screens are difficult to see in these images. Additionally, even though the shape of the camera island has not altered, the array will reportedly include a high-resolution camera. The most intriguing part is that Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU is anticipated to power the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Watching how Samsung has optimized the chip for the folding phone, and how it performs real life, will be interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is currently available for pre-sale from Samsung, and customers who place an order can receive up to $200 in extra credit when they buy a device. This offer is valid for the Fold 4, Flip 4, and Watch 5 devices. A 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, with 3x magnification, are planned for the triple-back camera system of much-awaited foldable smartphone. The battery is expected to have a 4,400 mAh capacity and 25-watt charging. Additionally, a foldable 7.6 inches AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a secondary 6.2 inches AMOLED screen with the HD Plus resolution is anticipated to be included in the smartphone. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is officially launching on August 10th. Some source claims the smartphone will go on sale on August 26th. So what do you think about the Z Fold 4? Let me know in the comment section below. Of course, for all the latest updates on the Z Fold 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.